Hope you have watched our previous videos about switching and using electromechanical relay for automated switching applications. Still not watched? Watch it now. Link is in description. In this video, we are going to learn about the different type of configurations available in electronic switching devices. Welcome to Mr. Smart. Serving knowledge to make you smart. Before knowing the different type of configurations, let's understand what does poles and throws means in electronic switches. Whether it is an electromechanical relay or ordinary switches, both should be able to do switching. A typical electromechanical switching application always needs at least one movable contact to open and close electrical connections. These movable contacts in electromechanical switching device are called as poles. And the connections that poles can possibly close with fixed contacts are known as throws. Based on the number of poles and throws, we have some common configurations in electrical switching. A single pole single throw. A single pole double throw. A double pole single throw. And a double pole double throw. They are commonly abbreviated as SPST, SPDT, DPST and DPDT respectively. An SPST or single-pole single-throw electrical switching devices have one movable contact or one pole. And one fixed contact, hence only single throw is possible. They can be used to switch only single connection at a time. An SPDT or single-pole double-throw electrical switching devices have one movable contact or one pole. And two fixed contact, hence double throw is possible. These switches are capable of handling two connections at a time. Ideally, one of these two connections will remain normally closed and another remains normally opened. And DPST or double-pole single-throw electrical switching devices are the combination of two SPST switching devices. They have two movable contact or two pole. And two fixed contact. These switches are capable of handling two connections and both can be turned on or off at same time. And DPDT or double-pole double-throw electrical switching devices are the combination of two SPDT switching devices. They have two movable contact or two pole. And two pairs of fixed contact. These switches are capable of handling two pairs of connections and one pair can be normally closed and other pair remains normally opened. Hope you have learned about SPST, SPDT, DPST and DPDT switching devices configuration. Like, subscribe and click the bell button for instant updates. Thanks for watching.